Here is the Hoover Power Scrub Extra Large Carpet Vacuum Scrubber. We have some pet stains here from the puppy that we got. We're going to be working on trying to get these up. Very simple. Here is the solution. We have some Zep solution, carpet cleaning solution in here. Just set that on right there. This is the tank. You just lift it up to remove it. You pull it out, slide it back in, kind of suction cups onto that gasket. And here is for the tool that comes with it. It's a hand tool. Very, very simple design. Right here are the pedals. You push down the center one to release the handle. You push the red one to start it. You also have a knob right here for the deep clean and the quick clean. Has a nice quick start guide right here. And this is just a how to use guide. Pretty much how to get started on everything. I'll show it in action here in a minute. Very, very simple. You do have a max fill line right there. Once it hits that red, you can kind of see it. This cap right here screws on and off. It has a little interlocking thing on it. We'll see how well it does on these puppy stains and how well it gets them out. I believe this one will stay since it is oil.
It's picking them up, kind of. You can't see it on the camera, but it's still fading. The puppy stains are still there. So boring when it's just my Pokemon.
So you click that red one, you get it operational, you pull this trigger, the solution comes. For drying mode, you don't hold down the trigger, it is scrubbing, those brushes are rotating. So at a different angle, should let it soak for about 15 minutes, then go over it again, I heard. Try to get it all dry. Hopefully these puppy stains come out. This is not as good as a rug doctor, but quick, easy, doesn't require that much cleaning. That is a Hoover Power Scrub Extra Large. This will show that little red once it's time to empty it. Alright, so this is after I went over it about 4 or 5 different times, different ways. Here is what the solution looks like. Still some puppy stains. This carpet's definitely got to go at some point, but waiting for puppy and babies and get it all done with before we actually go through and paint, do new carpet and everything. So I'll go over it. It's been about 15 minutes. Dump that water. It's easy. As I showed you, just pull this, dump it. Used almost all the solution water. Sucks it up right there. That's the Hoover. I do have it on deep clean, trying to get all this out. If you have any questions, please let me know. Definitely subscribe. I do have a rug doctor, also 2 rug doctors. And I figure this was just a quick alternative.